Hi, welcome to the Leadership Conversation. Our approach to online learning is kind of different, so we thought it might help to show you around a bit before you get started. There are two ways to learn in a leadership conversation: programs and resources. Programs are time-bound, small group learning experiences. Resources are available anytime and are designed for you as an individual to consume on your own. Let's start with programs. Programs in the leadership conversation are built around field manuals, our version of an online module. When you open a program, you'll see anywhere from 3 to 10 field manuals on the homepage. Each field manual will take about 30 to 45 minutes to complete. All Nomadic programs are built to spur conversations. You'll find a lot of places throughout each field manual where you'll be asked to share ideas, stories, and answer questions. You can vote for the comments you like best and use the reply button to deepen the conversation. If you want to invite someone from your team into a conversation, you can notify them by writing an @ symbol followed by their name. You can also favorite any content you really like. At any time, you can open up the menu bar on the left to check your progress, return to the homepage, or navigate to other field manuals. You can follow the activity of your group here, and you check out how you're doing on the leaderboard here. You can update your profile, check your stats, and access the help page here. And if you are studying more than one program, you can switch between programs here. You can access the resource library here, where you'll find dozens of individual pieces of content to study and explore on your own. To switch back to your programs, click here. Okay, that's about it. If you have more questions, give us a shout.